Hey everyone, welcome back 2022, second half of your sixth grade year. This is going to be awesome coming up. I missed you guys a lot. Can't wait to see you again, see your faces. Right now I can see you on the screen, and um, we've got some new students that are going to be joining us that were starting off virtual that are now shifting into the classroom when everybody comes back. So welcome to you. I'm going to show everybody around. If you're new to my class, I'm pretty sure this will be pretty easy to pick up. And if you have been with me this first part of the year, it should look exactly the same, because honestly, I've set up every day our It's Learning like it would be a virtual page for at-home learning, so that if you were sick, you should be going back and going to this It's Learning page. So once again, hope your break was awesome, and can't wait to hear about all the amazing things you did. Let me walk you through a few things here just to show you around. Let me just remind you that every time you do anything for us, you need to be logged in through Classlink. And so if there are multiple people in your family that are Forsyth County students, make sure you're logged in, or else you're going to have some issues. That's just some things. That's a quick little troubleshooting issue that you have. So you can't open documents or different things unless you are actually in Classlink and then going in through It's Learning as yourself logged in. So when you go to It's Learning, let me just remind you that the best way to communicate with me, especially for students, is right here through It's Learning Messenger. And so when you go here, create a little message. This is going to be something that any questions, anything you need to know or communicate with me, this is the place to go. And I would think that's the case for most teachers. Here is how that's going to be. Parents, you can log in with your child and do this, or just email me if you have any questions. But that is not a new thing for you. What I want to emphasize to everybody, even if it's listed here, what's posted, I want you to always get in the habit of going right here to the Plans tab when you get into It's Learning. Once you click on Plans, it might be by day. This is all upcoming. So this week, tomorrow is going to be January 6th. And then the 7th, we have block days. Block A and Block B. And so you're only going to have me once. Check out your new schedule to figure that out. But just know Thursday and Friday, this lesson. I want you to always look right here in resources and activities. The very first thing listed will always be my It's Learning page. I set up a page for each day or the week, how things are structured. So always go here. Okay. And some of you still, halfway through the year, kind of forget to do that sometimes. That's always the case. You go to Plans, the tab, and then this is where the page is. And so when you click on the page, I've set it up to where I'm going to put this intro video here. Once again, if you have any questions, It's Learning, message me. We have the learning targets here. We are moving in, shifting from Europe, moving into really Latin America. And so we're going to learn to locate specific countries, physical features on a world and regional, political, and physical map. So guess what? We're back to the geography section, but now it's just a new part of the world. And so we're going to locate things like Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Cuba, Mexico, Panama, and you have all these different things, the Amazon River, Amazon rainforest. And so today, what we're going to do here, always along the side here, there'll be a checklist. And so you do these things in order. Essentially today, for you guys, Thursday or Friday, whatever day you have me, you're going to click on here and there's a link to a video. It's a virtual field trip. You are headed to the Amazon rainforest, and it's cool. Like I've always, as a kid and growing up, loved watching just the nature and all the plants and animals and insects that are here. They're so colorful. They're amazing. And so you're going to watch this, just a short video. And then what you're going to do is a checkpoint. And so oftentimes this might be a formative for us. This is not going to be graded, but this is something where it's kind of like a formative. When you click on it here, you'll take it. It's not a test, it's not a quiz, but when you do this, it's less than 10 questions. It's just a checkup to see how well you were paying attention to the video. And then what you're going to do is you have Quizlet after that. And so when you go to Quizlet, this is our new Quizlet, and you have flashcards. For me, I already started studying, but you could see some of the things related to geography here of our new unit. And so remember, when you click on these, some of these things you might know, but when you click here, start studying, what I would say is on block days, generally, it's about 45 minutes worth of stuff your teachers should post, like on a block day, even though we spend more time in class than that, somewhere around that. And so if you look for this first lesson, this video is about 9 minutes. The checkpoint might be, say that takes you, another, 6 minutes. So if you're at 15, you should spend about 15, 20 minutes on Quizlet, this initial time, just getting to know some of the vocabulary. And then right here, if you finish early, there's a lot of cool things here, links to different areas, landmarks, and famous things in Latin America. So you don't have to do all of these, but if you want, you can begin exploring this throughout the unit. If you finish early, we'll have some links for you just to check out. I'd love to travel to a lot of these places someday, but we're going to do our best to transport you there through pictures and videos, and it's going to be cool. So that's the plan for these first 2 days. If you have any questions, let me know. Once again, parents can email me or go with your student through It's Learning Messenger and message me right here. Like I said, 2022, this is going to be an amazing second half of the year. You guys are awesome, and I will talk to you soon.